So guys are fishing, micro fishing for the catfish in this creek, and we got a piece of liver right here, a baby piece, and we got the catfish. Holy neat! Mighty fly! Like he's in the Fast and the Furious. We ain't got nothing but a Hyundai. And if we don't get any bite, we'll set the line and we'll do a part 2. Y'all like this video if y'all would like a catch, clean, cook on microfish. Oh, we'll get a tank. Oh my lord! Oh jeez, I thought we had one. With the new foggies on the Jeep. Man, you done hit the pipe. Guys, let's catch up here. I guys, we got one. Don't worry, a big one. Nice one. A nice green sunfish. I thought chicken livers called catfish. Well, apparently he wanted to eat it. I'll catch anything. Guys, it's the green sunfish. Not that beautiful, but it's decent. We're going to set a line and like for part 2. What's up guys, welcome back to another video with Rags Fishing Outdoors. Today we're fishing with a little piece of oh god. Oh, there he is. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, y'all look at this. Look at this. What is that? This is a creek chub. Oh god. On this tiny worm that we found. Look at that creek chub. That is a beauty. It ain't the decent size you're looking for, but this is what you call a creek fish. Guys, that is a tiny creek chub. Look how tiny that thing is. Tiny. There he goes. Look guys, today we're fishing and in the mini creek, so let's see what we can catch. Is that one on? We'll let him eat. Yeah guys, I think we got one on. Let's go. Oh, he's on! Oh, bam! There's Muñeño chub right here. This is what we call a Muñeño chub in North Carolina. Let's get this dude unhooked. And then, hold on, we'll show off this fish. Look at that creek chub, y'all. That's a beauty. Beauty of a beast. Look at the belly. I don't know what you would call that. Look at the mouth in there. Look in that mouth. Alright guys, let's get the release on him. Get the release on the base. Put him right here where we can see it, the release. You ready guys? Here he goes. What's up guys, welcome back to another video with Rags Fishing Outdoors. We're back at this little creek again, and I think we have a fish on, so let's see if we can hit him with a snag. He was pecking at that meat. Let's see. Whoa, big! Oh yeah. That's how you catch a creaky right there. Creaky, chubby, or horny. It's like that's a creek chub right there, guys. They all have those little purple spots on them, guys. I don't know. Yeah, just throw back in the water. And then that's a creek chub. Probably about that today. Let's get him a release. Y'all ready to see this release? Nah, this water is freezing. Y'all ready to see this release? There he goes. Back into the hole. And guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace. Guys, welcome back to another video. We set a line for part 5. The video we set a line in was part 4, but I already posted a video, so this is part 5. And I think we got a catfish or a green sunfish. I don't know what's on here, so let's just see. Oh! Dang, dude. Yeah. That's a beautiful green sunfish, guys. Green sunfish, cool belly. So, like and subscribe, and I'll post part 6 one day this week. Peace. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's late at night and it's 8:12, so we're gonna have to turn the light on. And I think we got a fish. So let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, we got one. Oh, creek chub. Beautiful creek chub. Well, not beautiful, but cool one. Big belly. Like creek chub. Beautiful creek chub. So let's let him go. We'll let him go after. Make sure you like and subscribe. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. These are the fish we caught in the creek, the mini creek today. We got a nice bluegill. Throw him back. We got a nice green sunfish.
Can I throw one back?
And this is the size of my hand. I don't know, buddy. Let's throw him back. And then this is a green sunfish. Green sunfish right here.
Hi, I'm Gabby.
Show it.
God dang it.
This is a green sunfish. Not that big. And then we got
Show me throwing it in.
Then we got another nice bluegill.
I like you going nice and soft a little bit.
Fall in for the video. And then we don't know what this is. I think it's a
Bluegill.
It's a bluegill with a red breast, I think. That's what it is. Beautiful colors on it. Oh no. It might be a, nah. Yeah, that's a red breast. I think it might be mixed with a green sunfish because it's got pretty decent sized mouth. So, like and subscribe for part 7. Peace.